This just happened in Spanish Town.
Okay, them are going with us, take people goods out here. All that. You know they can? That's not nice, I swear. No, see one of the next one. So then to put two carton accessory upon you, you're gonna know people goods different from other people goods. Police for operation in a Spanish town, they're trying to get rid of all street vendors, they're not playing.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my people, that video you just saw, my viewers and subscribers, it was sent to the attacking boss. And them say NEWLINK recently, you know say this occurred in a Jamaica, NEWLINK. Them say NEWLINK right in a Spanish town, Jamaica, this go on. And when me see it, my people, there's a lot of things run through my mind. You understand? Plenty stuff run through my mind. And that is why I share it right now upon my platform. And me I give my take to the whole incident, my people. You understand? And try for just make myself be as clear as I can be. You know what I mean? So people can get a brief understanding of what me I say pertaining to this thing. You see me? Alright, my people. We all know that Jamaica in the street, them have rules and regulations. You understand where them come to the vendors them. And them would tell the vendors them, so look here, certain place we don't want to, we don't want to sell, you understand? We provide place we don't go out there and sell, whether in the market or whether this or whether that, because we have such and such who are pay how much money, you understand, for did some of them business, and when you come then it's like you are stop for them business from flow, you know what I mean? So we provide area for uno go, you know what I mean? So especially a man with a trolley who walk around and do business like basically that this brother, you know what I mean, who you see close to the truck there, help people throwing them own things them in the back of the van, them people, you know what I mean? So what me have to say, my people, is that really and truly it's a tough situation. You see me? We know the fact where people are going to say the officers them do them work, which yeah, them do them work, and I saw them get paid, and them have bigger superior who authorize them and say, look here, this is the mission today. Go down a Spanish town and all of the vendors them wanna see in the street, clean them up. Camera did they watch everything as they walk. Go on, them have bigger superior. You see it? So honestly, me can't to attack them, my people. Like, me can't to attack them and say, yo, you're not wicked for do this. You see me? Because remember, you know, when an officer on duty, my people are doing job. See, you have a bigger man who give me heads up and say, go do this and go do that. And it's either him a go do it or him a go leave the job. You see me I say, which we don't say, them have family to feed and this and that to my people. But what me want to say to the officers them who them put for do these type of things. You know, no art. If you don't have a art, how you feel when them sending you on a duty and if you go do something like this to a local brother who in the street, nah rob, nah thief, but I do a hustle to make a living. You don't know how him condition go, how him live, how him survive, how much picnic him have, bills to pay, this and that. You don't know. You understand? So how it feel in yourself, you know, so you are going to be the one where whoever authorized, say, look here, go take with them stall, take with them goods to them and sell, and put in the truck and carry on a station and go fling it around the back. Honestly, my people, I've seen people reach out to me in the past and them say, NEWLINK, police take when me things them over a year, 2 years now. And no, me never get them back. Me try everything. And when me go there to get back me things, them I say me things them can't before. And my goods them what me I sell. You understand? Clothing and them stuff. They have seen it before and have heard about it before. People reach out to my people. So what I'm trying to say is my viewers and subscribers on a real level. Zine, it's a wicked situation. It's a cruel one. Heartless one. And if a brother like this in the street a hustle and a do these type of things for people. And then 3 trees, them take away them goods. And then 4-4, you hear say, yo, the same brother down the road a rob and a thief. You know what I mean? When them catch me, say, look here, me nah no choice because me. You get me? I say, honestly, thief and it's wrong. But then you go look on the other side and say, look here, if them never take away this man goods in the what they are doing, honest living in it. Not true. And that's something I have to tell my people. We understand, say, when the government say them provide place to them people, I go sell my people more while. But honestly, if you go through enough of them market where the government claims so them bill and parish council so them bill for them to go sell. You know them people hardly make no money sometime in the market, my people. And a lot of the market, them condition is so deplorable, my viewers and subscribers. Honestly, people don't want to go in there to go spend their money. Especially if look a rainfall, be a muddy place, plaque on them something there. So a lot of people, them now go, you know what I mean, put themselves in a situation to do, go in a places like these. Me I tell you the truth, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? So, a lot of vendors in there. Sometimes when you go in the market, you hear one vendor link and I say, please buy some, give me first sale from morning. Me there from 5 o'clock open this morning and now after 5 in the evening. And me don't make $1. You know what I mean? Sometimes you will believe you lie, them I tell you, but most time the truth them attack. You know what I mean? Really and truly. And we understand so a lot of the people who find themselves at the market, them complain sometimes say the one who out the road stop feeding food because he must pay rent. You understand? Out there so, out the road, he must pay rent. If he in the market and the man out the road make more money than him when I have to pay no rent and this and that while him at the market and have to pay fees and them something there. You see me? So that's why I say people there's a lot of side that we have to look into. But all me can say, the officers who them assigned to do this type of job, brother, them have a strong and a tough heart. Me don't know how them do it, my people, but me being an officer, you understand, which me know me not gonna be or would be. You see me? Me could never do this, bro. Honestly, me could never do it. Now my heart, especially know say me are from the ghetto. And if you say my brother, yo, me could never do it, boy. Me not gonna have a job, my people. Me I tell you the truth. That's why me never choose certain career in a life, yo. Because me know circumstances where certain things come with. As when I say people, me not diss no officer, you know. Me not diss them. You know what I mean? But me don't go say, you know, a certain job, yo, it just tough and rough. If you know how you have to, them have to assign, you have to deal with things and how you have to deal with people, yo. Certain job just wicked out there in the street. You see me? But for this bridging now, Mr. Hope back, you get your things them, brother. Hope you get them back already. And hope, you know what I mean, there can be a better solution for you. Where you can go out there, go do your thing, go hustle. You know what I mean? I don't know how. You know what I mean? How your family stay if you are the breadwinner, if you have to take care of you. You know what I mean? I don't know how that stay, virgin. But me just hope say everything go great for your brother and you just keep your head up and just hold the faith and be strong. You see me? I say because it's rough in the street, you know. And me tell people when we watch the thing, yo, tears come on my eyes. Really and truly, no joke about it. It's sad. You see me? Because you know the condition of how things stay yard right now, people. How much people do this and I do that. You see me? Plenty people do this and I do that. And when certain things happen, my viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? We have to think and I wonder and say, yo, but this same youth and I was a local youth in the street you hustle. And then they find out say this same youth to find out the certain things. So when you see a brother in the street I hustle my people and I go hard out there to make it, yo, we have to just be thankful and grateful for them. And I just have me look into the whole thing, my people. We just have to be grateful and be thankful for them. But you don't know the thing, go. A life. And the universe and that's Babylon system as well we always say, my people, a Babylon system and you don't know how them set for them thing, you know. We just have to just do our part, you see me? But again, my brother, stay strong and just hold the faith up and keep up. You see me? We have seen these things happen a lot of time when police or whoever going on the street and go for them brother and my people. We have seen where things go the other way and them take things on a more drastical way and them start, you know what I mean? Want to fight back and this and that. But in this situation that this brother hold up him, hold the faith, and honestly, he never fight back or nothing, you know what I mean? Him just hold it out, you know what I mean? So my people, stay safe, Do the right thing and more love, more respect and more blessings. And I thank you for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and every comment my people. I don't know, say I want team, I want gym, I want scheme, and I want attacking boss. And just stay safe for them, my people, and just do the right thing. And just remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and Twitter. You don't know, my people, I want attacking boss. You don't know. Peace out and blessings. You don't know. Attack them NEWLINK. Big up on yourself, my people. Peace out.